itabidi we work it like that because you're there for the chat. You're not here for me. You're not here for me, okay? If you are there for me, you can go and watch the whatever. Watch my vlogs, right? I'm trying to share my wait. I want to share my screen. Just a minute guys. Hebu kwanza nione kama nitajiona. Naona niko live. I want to see vile nakaa. Okay. Niko on. We need to make money. We need to make moolah. We can see you. You need to see the charts, not me. You need to see the charts, so not me. So let me work on that first. But nataka kujiona kwa TV. Mpenzi. Just a minute guys. I want you guys to see my charts. So mbona niko live na sijioni nikiwa live? Kwani nimeend? I beg. No. Can you guys see me? Kwa live really? Mbona sijioni? Current viewers. Yeah, can you hapo guys? We are about to live trade right now. I just want to see if the charts zina slack. That's why I'm trying to connect. Kuona kama najiona and I'm not seeing myself on YouTube. What's wrong? Telling, so you guys can see my face is blemishless. So. Oh, this is so embarrassing. Why am I not seeing myself? Should I use my phone? Oh no. This is annoying, tafadhali. I need to see myself, YouTube, please. Can you use your mind and your brain? Thank you. Aya. Can you use your mind and your brain? Thank you. Aya. Oh my god, I'm so dark. Thank you. Aya. Oh my god, I'm so... Aya. The connection iko sawa, so let me share the screen with you guys. Let me share the screen. Pesa email. Ebu mwache ujinga huku YouTube ati pesa imelala MT5. You guys, which pair should we start with? Which pair do you want us to start with? Alright? Which one? No, mimi huyo, I'm sharing the screen. I want to see the screen on my screen. Please, I beg. Odogo, please. Let me see the screen. I am tired of showing this face. Yeah! Are you guys seeing the screen? Because we naona dark. Is it my network? I beg, I've shared the screen. I don't know why I'm not seeing it. Are you seeing the screen? Any entry on gold? Tafadhali, we are working on that. That's what we are trying to do. I need to see my charts on the screen so that nijue like no nikianza maybe kuhang nijue. I don't want kuwashiria mnanihona. You're not seeing the chart, right? Because hata mimi sioni. Ile siku nasikia ku live trade sasa ndo wanafanywa hivi jamani. Na God go punish these YouTube people. Screen ikifika mniambie. Hakuna kitu tunaona? I've shared the screen. I don't know, mbona ioneshani? $15 people watching. I've shared the screen. Let me stop sharing and I share again because what the hell? Yeah, mainstream now. Share screen. Share my gold screen, please. This is the last time I'm doing this. Why is it not showing my chart? Why? Okay. Okay. Hii inaoneshana. Kimbieni YouTube, okay? Haya, I don't know which pair we should start with. Now we can see it. Naona giza. Yeah, but now we can see the screen. Okay, which pair should we start with? Which pair should we start with? We saw the screen. Kajitoa saizi ni giza. No, I'm seeing the screen. That means you guys are seeing. I'm watching myself on my TV, so you guys should be seeing me. Yeah. So, which pair should we start with? Mwataka tuanze na pair gani? I think niko nyuma kidogo, but which pair do you want us guys to start with? All right. The lighting is very bad. Gold USD, gold. We show the screen ikatoa saizi ni giza. All right, we're gonna start with gold. Aya, excuse me. But nilikuwa najiona, so acha nikae hapa hivi. This one is a bit good. So gold it is. Have you guys followed me? Like, we are 19 people and I'm not. Have you? Oh gosh. Have you guys followed me? Because we are 19 na naona ni kama watu wamesubscribe ni kama wawili. Anyway, let's start with gold and let's get away with this. I don't know where my phone is. So that is the chart of gold. Hey. Nitamaniwa tena, my friend. Name of your channel. The link is on the bio. So let's, first of all, I told you guys, but generally you have, I'm talking to you too. Generally, you have to look at like the overall movement of the market, and you can see very well we are on. Oh, okay. Me who analyze market with the bigger time frame, so we have to look at the market at the bigger time frame. Let me clear my chart, the chart first. Okay, so I'm clearing the chart. Huku hanya tanzania ish haha with you one-on-one. You want to trade with me one-on-one, itakuwa 10k. So I'm just going like kupitia, because if you need like whatever, you should come for the classes. But generally, knowledge kidogo, you have to look like the overall movement of the market. Nilisema guys, do not force the trend line. Are you together? Yeah. YouTube ndo inafika saa hii ama niko nyuma? Do not force the trend line. So unaona vizuri, we are on a very downward trend, so you can extend the trend line even. I'm giving you guys gems. That's why you should subscribe. And then now we mark our zones, which are like our point of interest. So before that, wacha tuende 1 hour, tuone kama kuna place like the trend inataka kubreakiwa. No, we are like so bullish, so bullish. So let's go back to 4 hours time frame. I normally and I usually what is it called? Analyze the market using bigger time frame. When you look at this thing here, we have change of you guys can see that zone right there, and I want you to know this is a 4 hour time frame. So yeah, we have like a supply zone right here, and then I don't think nitamark huku chini because this area right here, because it's like iko mbali sana. This is a 4 hour time frame guys, so I don't think nitamark huko chini. So let's narrow down to 1 hour. Hiyo point iko mbali sana. I don't think gold itafika huko, ama tuimark tu just for future. Let's mark it just for the future. Okay. So, but in the meantime, these are the points that I'm interested in. I'm just putting it there, maybe for the future. These are the zones that I am. Oh shit! I'm currently interested in the upper, this zone right here. Oh my god, nimeguza my trend line. I always tell you guys, trade what you see. Trade what you see. Sometimes you people force the market. Imagine in Forex, the symbol you know it, the better. So I promise to live trade with you guys. So I don't like live trading because it's a lot of work. I take a lot of time analyzing the market. So maybe you can stick around na utalan kitu. So my point of interest, of course, is the highest zone right here. Let me make it. So nirudishe trend line yangu nimeiaffect. Just a minute guys. My trend line nimeiguza. sell signals for free. I don't give free signals. Ooh. I mean, you all can see this point because I mean that is the highest point. Tunaiweka tu hapo for tuone the chart vizuri. And then the trend line, kama nimeiharibu kidogo, let's make it a little bit accurate. As I told you guys, we don't force the trend line. So that clearly can show you guys because we are on 4-hour time frame. So if you are a scalper, in the meantime, hata before kuchukua any signal, using 4-hour time frame, if you are a scalper, you can scalp gold mpaka hapo. That's one what? Okay, let's narrow down. Twendeni tunaonyesha what the last the market. Okay. Sasa turudi kwa 1 hour. Kwa 1 hour. Let's see if there's anything that we need to check on 1 hour. So in 1 hour, we're just sitaki kupeana signal haraka hivyo. I think even hata bila kuongea, hata kwa 4 hours, you guys can see gold is trying to come to this zone right here, which is 32. Is it 32.20? Yeah. So if you are a scalper and unatakanga pesa ya haraka, in the meantime you can just scalp the sales mpaka hapo 32.20. But as for me, I am going. Will I even wait? Today is on Friday. Oh my gosh. Kidogo tu. Let's go to 5 minutes. That is my entry. My entry time frame. Okay. I don't think I'm going to take this sale. I feel like tumechelewa na hii sale. So what I'm going to do is, although time is not on our side, today is Friday, my friend. Oh gosh, kidogo 5 minutes. Are we going to scalp? How many pips? But no, sipendi trade inakaa hivyo. I don't like, tumeshachelewa na entry. Why is the whatever? Oh, fair position. I don't know by the time market ifungwe kama tutakuwa tumenini. $23. Is it worth the risking? I don't think I'm going to take that trade of gold there. I will wait for it if it this zone. So what I'll do is ndaeka alert. I know itafika before siku ishe. So what I'll do is I will put an alert at this zone right here. Let's just say, because napendanga even number, tuseme tu 32 what? Is it 200? Iwe. Kwani niko kwa temple gani? 200. I'm trying to look at that point. 32. Ready for us. What is my point of interest, jamani? 32. 31. That's 200, not that 220. Now kwa ni mbali. Can we find like a quick entry, jamani? Just a minute. Huko ni mbali sana. Today is on Friday. Ingekuwa mchana like asubuhi ningewaambia we wait for gold to come to this point and then we wait for a buy. But you guys, it's on Friday and we just need a small entry. Okay? So let me find let me find the entry. Oh god. Where's my YouTube? Let me find the entry. Zoom your chat. Finally, I've seen it in my mind. Zoom your chat. You can zoom the chat on your laptop. I don't have to zoom mine. That I've zoomed my chat out so that I can see the points vizuri. So if you're not seeing the points vizuri, you can zoom. We are targeting longer trades, my guys. The liquidity is so high. Yeah. We cannot target longer charts, guys, because long trades, because I mean it's a Friday. We cannot say at trade kesho. So if we tukiweka trade inakaa hivi, chances are trade Monday. We're just looking for a small entry, okay? So my laptop wants to go off. Let me connect it. To shut down, let me connect it. But one thing you guys should know is do not, and I repeat, do not trade against the trend. Usijifanye usisa wewe ndio unajua. So probably hata kama take trade, it will be a sale. Zoom your chart. What were YouTube? What are you guys saying? You guys are not even communicative. You should help me analyze this market. Buana. What are your views on gold? Should we wait for it to come to a point of interest and then you take a trade? Or should we scalp? I'm not here to encourage people to scalp. Someone is saying zoom my chart. If I zoom my chart, you will not see whatever I'm talking about. So maybe you copy what I'm doing and then you go and zoom the chart in your desktop. Yeah. If I zoom the chart, you see, you guys will not see whatever I am trying to show you. All right. My people on YouTube, what do you think? Should we risk and scalp? Because it's on a Friday, we should just wait for a good entry. I did a scalp too. Let's scalp. What do you guys think? Should we scalp? Uko live YouTube, yeah. The link is on the bio. Should we scalp? I'm about to take my phone, but inakaa riski kuscalp place hiyo trade iko. I don't want sitaki kuwa riskia jamani. Let's risk and scalp. That's what I'm seeing. That is exactly what I'm seeing right here. Gold has been selling, but the buyers are working on that. That is exactly what I'm seeing. And you guys know me, I'm a bullish. Me, I like when gold is buying. So if you look at whatever we are seeing at the screen right now, you can see like our zone, like it's being respected. So, hey, my friend, this is crazy. Like mnaona tu vile nimewasetia hiyo chat hapo YouTube. You guys can see that zone, right? That is niko kwa how many niko kwa time frame gani hata? I don't even know. Now let me check my time frame. 1 hour. You guys, this. Hey. Yeah, I like it. I just like whatever I'm seeing in the market. I love it. I love gold so much because I tupeangi hard time honestly. Wacha nirudi 1 hour so you guys can see whatever I'm talking about. Can you guys see what I'm seeing? Are you guys seeing what I am seeing? I'm just waiting for gold to break through this thing. Let me show you. Hi, nimeguza wapi? Oh, I beg. Don't start. What's wrong? Kwani imeanza kujiguza? Hii imeanza kujiguzaguza or something. Do not start. Yeah, rib setup yetu jamani. Scalp kuna sales that 255. Well, mimi I am not here to risk my moolah. So, let me just analyze the market the way ninge analyze. Okay? As I listen to you guys, of course. Haya, acha turudishe kazoni ketu hapa. Yo, my mouse is like inajiguzaguza. Should I use like acha nitumie ile mouse nyingine ya computer. Inanifanya exactly na maana. I know we need quick money, but I'm just here to help you guys so that you guys can trade without me, okay? Najua, sasa hata ningewaambia to scalp. But no, let's not do that. Wacha tufanye something which naingianga wapi wewe? Thank you. So yeah, you guys can see this point. This point right here. Okay, this zone, not a point. Sasa, as for me, I see like ni kama gold ime respect this zone because remember this is 1 hour. Ingekuwa kitu kama 15 minutes ni nini, ningewaambia tungoje nini tena hapa i break and then it test that. Probably it's not willing to do that. So what we will do is we're gonna mark this point right here. Oh shit, what have I done? We're gonna mark this point right there. So you see here, ni kama mnaiona vizuri, anaona iko tu sawa, unless you're using your phone. If you kama unioni vizuri kwa simu, niangalia kwa TV, okay? You will see the charts vizuri. So we are mwenye mnasema ni Zoom chart, niangalie tu kwa TV. So mark that point right there. Are you together? So now, here point ni that 269. Tuseme tu that 270. Maybe let me narrow it down to 30 minutes so that we can see wow that point looks like in 30 minutes. So this will be my trade for today. Like hata singangani, the simpler it is, the better in forex. You all can see the bulls. Your possession wants to say otherwise. Shock. Watu wangu, forex ni ngumu. Forex si rahisi. Forex is not easy. We are still bearish, but the buyers wanataka kuingililia. Shit, it's real. Okay. So you see hiyo zone nimeweka hapo, hiyo 32, I think inafaa kuwa 70. Let's just use an even number. Hiyo the 269, of course it's ni kama 70. Just a minute guys. Lord, which one be this? I've seen a lot of things. Am I having analysis paralysis on a live? Oh God, no. Anyway, I'm gonna just keep it simple, you guys. What's wrong with YouTube? Are you communicating? Because I'm about to just say whatever. Good for membership. Learn as you can. I never sell gold. It's suicidal. Hey, tusaka za sherehe. Let's risk it, scalp. You never sell gold. It's suicidal. What are you talking about? The people have been selling gold, bwana. Wamekuwa wakikula vizuri, but as for me, yeah, my house, chat imeiachia hapo. What do you guys think we do next? What should we do? Hey, wapenzi, this is I'm seeing something and I'm seeing another thing. So in the meantime, we are bearish. The trend, like the upward, the downward trend bado haijabreakiwa. So, and we want to take a trade because it's on a Friday. Everybody is like, to pay hata signal moja. I don't know what to do. I don't know. Jehovah. Let's go back to the chart. Sasa, what we will do on gold is tutaweka alert. You see this point right here? We are that I think it's that 260. Although line yangu imeenda 32. No, indiwacha tuiweke 60. I mean 70, sorry. 32. Nataka ikuwe 70. Ndio ikuwe even number, right? Yeah, hapo that 270 sasa. That 270, you guys can see that point I'm seeing. Kama uelewi hizo mambo, vitu kama hizo ndo classes zinaingililia, but yeah. Jamani, I'm just trying to show you guys how I trade and how I come up with entries. Are we together? Can you join us on YouTube? Right now we are trading. We are live trading, my friend. Aya, let me start vile nilianza. I told you guys, you start by the big time frame. You identify the trend. Of course, as you guys can see, we are on I don't know what trend. Mnaona vizuri sana hiyo trend haijabreakiwa. Watu wenye mko YouTube, you guys can see that trend bado haijabreakiwa. That's why I'm not in for buys right now. But in case hiyo trend ibreakiwe hapo 32.70, hey, we're gonna have a very good trade, like a good one. So I guess we can maybe say tuko 55. I think itafika 70 leo tu. I think itafika. So what about the small upward trend that I'm seeing here? Kidogo tu guys. Analysis paralysis, my friend. I will cry. I don't know why the laptop is not, the mouse your laptop is not nini. Is it because it's charging? I have to use this too. So you guys can see this. Oh no. You see? This is trend inside a trend. Trend inside a trend. I don't know kama umeelewa why I've done that, but yeah. Trend inside a trend. If you are on YouTube, please go on YouTube and see what I'm doing. If you're not there, YouTube uko na jina gani? Stacy K Kenya. Ama utaguza tu link iko kwa bio, itakupeleka direct. Have you guys understood why I've done that? Let me go back to my YouTube people. Scalp. I'm not scalping. I'm not here to scalp. You if you want to scalp, you should not be here. You should be scalping already. I'm not here to scalp, my friend. I'm here to help someone. Because sasa kama mimi ningekutana na mtu kila time akiingia live atatuambia to scalp ama tuende full margin, singejua ku trade. So I'm not scalping. I'm sorry. If you are here for a scalp, you are on the wrong page. Okay, so that's why most of you guys are not profitable when it comes to forex, because unataka pesa ya haraka. Like sahi I'm here trying to analyze the market, na uko hapo unasema scalp. Where uko pabaya, my friend, I'm not scalping. So if you guys will not communicate, I will as well end this live and trade with my people in my VIP group. So for the last time, do you guys know why nimeweka hiyo whatever? I'm not scalping. So let me just give you guys a whatever, because hata sioni ni kama muna follow. So why not end this live and go and trade with my people? Okay. So I've said we are bearish, like, or general. Tunaona kabisa we are on a downward trend. Unasema following ni trend. Yeah, it's like a small upward trend. Sasa, I'm not scalping. I'm here to show you guys. I cannot, like, kama niko scalp hata hakuna haja ya ku live trade. Ningewambia tu to scalp, sell, bye bye, you know. But I want to help you guys so that you can be able to know, like, how me I come up with my trades. Okay, so mambo ya scalp hapana. Okay, let's continue. Haya, tuna follow, don't end it. You know, there are people who have paid for these. Like, so I hope you guys mnaelewa up to that point, okay? So as for me, my point of interest actually, entry yangu naionea hapo 3270. 3270. Let's go back to the chart. 32, nimeingia wapi sasa? 3270. Sijui kama tutafika hapo leo ama itakuwaje, because you guys can see we are on a downward trend, like generally. Okay, this is a 4-hour time frame. So whatever you are seeing here, usione tu ati ni tukendos tuwili. If these are, so it means from 4 hours. So right now tuko saa ngapi? Tuko 5. So hizi hours zote, like, gold imekuwa bullish, honestly, like from saa ngapi? Sijui kama itaoneshana. So from saa ngapi sasa? So when you look, imekuwa, like, I can see a small upward trend in 4-hour time frame. So as for me, I don't think I'm going to sell. I think sales ni kama sasa tumefika mwisho. Haya, I am just waiting for gold to break this zone. Na inaelekea hapo actually, to break this zone right here. So what we'll do is we will put nini alert na tunamalizana na gold saa hii sasa. I hope mumelewa. Wacha tunarrow down to our entries so that tuone kama kuna kitu iko na shida. Aha. Okay. 5 minutes. And then nipeane the entry. And then we just pray. Sasa ikifika hapa ni wewe na Mungu wako. So this is the trade I'm going to take on. Hopefully itafika hapo leo. Itafika, honestly. Itafika hapo hata saa hii. Gold is high volatile, my friend. So I want to give this whatever entry in a 15 ama 30. Tuingie na 15. Okay. So that is the trade I'm going to take today on gold. Let me wacheni niweke hapo. Hey Jehovah, where is the whatever? Yeah. Where is the short and the long? Jamani, it should be somewhere here. I don't know why I'm not seeing it. Okay. Mungu wiki hapa nani? What the hell? Guys, you guys can see what I'm saying, right? As for me, I'm going to take a buy. If you want to scalp, you scalp. But as for me, I'm going to wait for gold to break through. Like, it break to trend vizuri. And then from there, we can, yeah, long position. Thank you. Nimekutafuta sana wewe. So I think mimi kama ni kuingia trade, of course hapa kuna ile like ku break and retest and stuff. So maybe as for me naweza ingililia hapo 70 ama 80. I mean gold is very volatile, so yeah. But that is the setup. That is a very good, although leo ni Friday. Ingekuwa ni kitu kama like asubuhi ama Monday, hiyo trade tungengoja sana, but in the meantime that is the setup. Entry, of course, you're gonna wait for gold to break through. So it will break, tunaweza ingililia wapi? So it will break around 70, 71, 72, it break, maybe retest tena, and then buy. Ama i-break na i-break kabisa. Mambo ya gold si mnaelewa. Sasa, that is my setup, you guys. My entry is around 75. Nipandisha kidogo. 75 ama 80 ama 82. It ni mbali, but yeah, somewhere there. That is my entry point. 80. You guys are getting the memo, right? So that will be my trade for today. Gold ikifika hapo, i-break because acha nirudi kwa 4 hours so you guys can see whatever I'm talking about. So hiyo trend itakuwa imebreakiwa vizuri kabisa. You see this trend like imerespectiwa sana 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 sana, but you can see the bulls are trying to push the market. So around somewhere there, ikifika around 70 hapo, hiyo trend itakuwa imebreakiwa tena sana. Itakuwa imebreakiwa tena sana. So ikifika here itakuwa imebreakiwa, so we can watch for buys from somewhere. You see the trend shit. Sijaribu kuharibu setup yangu mimi. Oh no, my village people. No. Don't do that. I need this setup. Oh. Eish. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Yes. So it tried to break around somewhere here. And then I don't want ako karo kakue hapo. And then we can watch for buys. I think that is a very good setup, jamani. Hata kama umerogwa, that is a good setup. What do you guys think? You can trade Ataka. That is according to me. Okay, bullish from 2 p.m. Do you have a beginner class? Yeah, I do have TP. Wapi? TP? Yeah, that is a very good question. TP and stop loss. You guys, mumana your setup. Obvious buy. Stop loss TP. Stop loss TP you can use whatever, my friend. Watch out to set the stop loss and the TP. Let's go back to our chart. Where is the chart? Hey, up doesn't go. Yeah, is it the chart? So for stop loss and TP, me I use small time frames, which is 5-minute time frame. Okay. By the end of today, we will get that move. Probably. Let's pray, because me have not traded today. I really need that money. But that is the setup. So what is for jipa sahi, Monday is still a day. Okay. But tuombe jipe. It's 5. Tuseme by around 6. By the time 6 ndo hiyo inaelekea hapo. So iko 60. I've told you guys. Hey! Now ndo hiyo imebaki 5 whatever tuingie kwa trader. So as for TP, oh gosh. TP sasa, this is a 5-minute time frame. We use the whatever. Uko ni mbali sana. Oh, where will be my TP? Me, I like risking like 10. So since my entry point equal, oh gosh, where will be our TP? Not TP, sorry, stop loss. Entry point yangu tumesema ni 70 ama 75? Because ukiweka 75, wacha tuweke 75. 75 it is somewhere there. So for the stop loss, why am I not seeing a stop loss? You can, okay, wacha tuingie 1 minute. 1 minute. That huko ni mbali, my friend. 54. Okay, let's just risk like 10. Right. Yeah. 10 ziko sawa. But you don't have to risk kama mimi because it depend pia na risk management yako. So I'm gonna risk. Hizo ni 33. Oh shit. Hey, somewhere there, 60. All right, so stop loss iko hapo 60. As I said, guys, apply proper risk management. Si lazima stop loss yako iko hapo, mali yangu iko. But you know, TP1, of course, it's here. Is it, kwani hii inakaa unrealistic? Is it possible to capture all those moves kweli? Let me go back to say 15 minutes. This is our entry, right? TP1. Of course, this is the setup. So TP1, how many target? 45. No bad for TP1. So TP1 itakuwa wapi? TP1 acha tuiweke around 90, right? Is it 90? Which point is this? 33. Tutaingilia wapi? 80. So haiwezi kuwa 90. So tuseme 3300. 1:2. Is that 1:2, guys? No. Tuingilia 80. Yeah. And then 10. Yeah. I think that's okay. But as for me, you guys, that is TP1. Like that. Is it that 300? I mean, don't know zangu. Like we are targeting 20. Or so, yeah. I hope umeelewa what I'm talking about. Iko tu sawa. We buy now, haijafika. Hey, jamani. You people, you should be patient with this market. This is gold, for God's sake. Like after 1 hour, maybe itakuwa imefika huko. So what I will do sasa, nitaweka alert so that nisipitwe na hiyo trade. So that is how I trade. So nitaweka alert hapo 32.70 gold crossing up. Gold crossing up. Hizi ni gani tena? Good. 32.70. 32. Wacha niweke 72 because hata entry yetu iko na 80 so that nikiona nikue, wacha tu niweke 70 because pia I want to see what market does there. It's not guaranteed that ati ikifika hapo ita break. So yes, so all right, gold crossing up. Okay, nimeweka. So that is the alert. Gold ikifika hapo, I will be alerted on my phone. You guys should do that too. And then ukiangalia simu because you know you want to trade. So the moment itafika hapo, hautaingia immediately. You just wait for it to break this trend line, and then you wait for a good confirmation, buy confirmation. That's why nasema entry yetu iko hapo 75.80. Okay, I think I'm so clear. That is a very like easy setup, honestly. Hata mimi sioni kitu complicated hapo. I'm together, my people, on you whatever. Okay, I need to kuandikia watu wangu wa group this one because that maybe awako online. So hey, by God, that what at let's do it, right? the 280. That 280 stop loss 60. That is impossible. How about to buy that 2 kilo? The 280 ni mbali, my friend. Ebu kidogo. That 280 ni mbali. That 280 no. That 2 tunaweza ingia that 273, right? So that because of the stop loss nataka ikuwe free hapo 7. So that 273. I've changed my mind. Yeah, entry point iko hapa that 270 break. So that 275, wacha tuweke that 275 so that whatever tuweke 65 stop loss. Okay, we are risking 1:2. We to get that. Anyone who is feeling like is against me, you should let us know so that we look at your point of view. All right, so let's go back to our text. I think entry yangu itakuwa 75. Nimechange mind. 8 ni mbali sana because of the stop loss. Of course, because the entry yenyewe hata inafaa kuwa hapo 70. So 7. Oh shit. Hizi ni gani zinakuja hapa? 75, you know, that will be a very confirmed buy. Ama kuna mtu ako na kitu ingine. Sell. Baby. Sell. No. As for me, this is the trade I want to take. Wherever if you want to sell, sell. Haya. Okay, sure. Tuendelee ama tusiendelee? Buy gold. But nimesema I cannot encourage you guys to scalp that 275. I'm at 20 full margin. Stop loss. Stop loss. Stop loss in 10. So 32, 75, 65, right? And then TP1, 32, 75 plus 20. The same to that 290. No, yeah, 95, 90, whatever. You guys know the drill, okay? When you see money, si lazima ifike huko, you just take the profit. And I think I'm done for that. Anyhow, the payer and apply. Remember to apply proper risk management. So if you are in my Signals group, usijali. The moment naingia kwa trade, I will let you guys know. That is the benefit of being in my Signals group. So yeah, but overview, that is where I will be watching my trade. So yeah. Copy image, send it to WhatsApp group, and I will be done with that. Nikiingia, of course, they all know nikiingia nawaambianga, so yeah. Na nikitoka nawaambia. That is the benefit of being in my Signals group. Rate WhatsApp. Hey, you know this year. I don't have time to rate a WhatsApp. That is what we are watching. So wacha nitume kwa group so that wakae wakijua wakitaka waeke alert. Yeah, I think that's it. Chakanga nirudi YouTube nione kama kuna mtu ako na opinions tofauti, you know, maybe setup imeenda shule. Ikibreak we buy massively. Yes, thank you. I'm waiting for a retest. haitafika. Gold is a sale. Oh my god baby, do you know hata nikianza kuanalyze hiyo market ilikuwa around 40 something and now imeenda hadi 6 like hata ni kama ishafika. Wewe gold haitafika. Gold is a sale. Okay, you have been so trading view kwa phone ndo upate notification, yeah, and then you use the same email. So the moment itafika hapo, like kwa simu yangu nitapata notification hata kama nitakuwa na drive, hata kama nitakuwa nafanya nini, and that will be a very confirmed entry because remember I've taken my time to analyze this market. So wewe weka kwa laptop and then weka nini, because it's the same account, you will get a notification on your phone, and that's how you trade mpenzi, that's how you trade. Remember to subscribe on this YouTube channel na haya. Goal setup 32.14, stop loss 32.10, sell 32.17 baby. Oh, okay, my people, my people, my YouTube people, do you guys, kuna mtu akona tashwishi before we continue to another pair? Because I think that is it for gold. Honestly, that is a very good set. Like me haijanipea stress, although kuna mahali ilikuwa na tashwishi, but nimeionea nini, nimeionea 18. TP I think nimepeana. You can target yenye unapeana, si lazima utarget TP yangu. And always guys, remember, apply proper risk management, because mahali nimeweka stop loss na mahali umeweka utaweka, you can use my stop loss na by the time ifike stop loss yako ukuwa umeblow. So sometimes it depends with the entries zenye umeweka na capital. So kama ujui mambo ya risk management and stuff, hapo sasa itabidi ukuje classes. Another thing, nilisema si lazima trade ifike TP. Gold is high volatile too. Entry yetu uko 75. By the time hata gold ifike 80, you should start to having like pesa nzuri, okay? So 80, 85, 90 aiwe anza kutoka. Are we together? Thanks, at least I'm good. It's a good set. Skitu imebaki ni patience. Yeah. This is good. You don't even need patience, my friend. Maybe I'm sure by maybe 6:26 hapo tutakuwa kwa trade. That's why I like gold. So yeah, I'll accept request yangu, niko na analysis. Hey, wewe. Staki mtu mwingine. Staki analysis paralysis. Well, just type your analysis there. Tell us where you want to change our mind. But as for me, that is my setup. And that is the trade we're gonna take today. And you guys will come here and testify. In fact, I wish ifike hapo tukiwa live, okay? Hiya. We fly with it. We're gonna fly with it. Anybody else? Accept request yangu, niko na analysis. Okay. Oh, don't leave the site. Excuse you, me. Someone, why are you calling me? You don't know it's already collide. Why are you calling me? I'm gonna set up, but nobody can change my mind. I know why I've taken such trade. So one thing you guys don't know, we can take a different trade. Kuna mtu sahi anaweza sell na mwingine a buy, na mwingine pia a sell, mwingine a buy, and at the end of the day so to profitable. Kuna mtu hata sahi atascalp. Nani wewe anashinda kunipigia simu? Kuna mtu pia if you are the one calling me, please stop calling me. Kuna mtu sahi atascalp, and then at the end of the day the enemy is the property. So yeah, but as for me, you know, siwezi anza kuambia ati guys we sell. That is no, I cannot advise anyone to sell, is because I'm a forex mentor. You guys, unajua wewe unaweza scalp, unaweza enda full margin nini, but I'll not be doing justice kwa watu. They don't know what is happening. So yeah, so that is for gold. Ebu tuone analysis yako my friend. Are you not on YouTube? Okay, ingia YouTube utaiona. I'm live on YouTube. I'm live trading on YouTube. So there's no way I will ever show my charts here. I showed my charts here and my page was banned ilikuwa 50k, and hiyo kitu bado imenitraumatize. So guza hiyo link iko hapo, ingia kwa YouTube utaona we are live trading here. Haya. You're a Bible. So tafadhali wekeni alert, okay? Do we need to analyze another pair? Jamani, shako usiku. I think gold itatupea uto pesa. Let's wait and see. Hebu tuone what is happening right now. Sasa iko wapi? Sasa iko way ya. Huyo mtu alikuwa anasema sell. Sasa iko 60. Bado 5 whatever, and then we gonna be in the market. Sasa niangalia account yangu. Hey, I beg now. We thank God for forex now. tunaingia market at hapo 73, hapo hivyo 73 75 kuwa ready kuingia, but entry yangu iko 75 for a very good confirmation. Okay, look at this. This is a very perfect trade, you guys. Remember tulianza kwa 4 hours. In case unaingia sahi, hii ni nini sasa imejiweka hapa? Whatever. So in case umeingia sahi, tulianza kwa 4 hour time frame. I'm giving you guys free knowledge, jamani. Anyway, tukaangalia kabisa tukaona we are bearish in the moment. That's why bado hatuja take a buy. No, sorry. Yeah, we are bearish, like we are on downward trend, right? So that's why bado hatuja take a buy. Go to my YouTube. Nyinyi wote wenye mko hapa sahi, kibieni tu YouTube muone vitu tunaongelelea because the chart is there. Haya, so tuko bearish. That's why nikasema we are not buying at the moment. But when you look at the trade somewhere here, you guys should just go to my YouTube channel because hapa ndo charts zinaoneshana. So when you look at the trade somewhere here, sitaki haribu your setup, but you guys can see kama umekuwa hapa from nikianza, you know what I'm showing. But when you look at that trade somewhere here, you can see like from hapa, akisi haribu setup yangu. The trade has been bullish. The bulls like are really in control of the market. So that's why bado we are not taking sales. Are you together? So chances are this trend is going to be broken. Remember, this is a 4 hour time frame, my friend. Meaning hizi ni hours mingi sana. Kutoka sijui saa ngapi. Hizo ni 1 hour, 4 hours, 8 hours. Before that 8 hours ni ngapi? Wait. 4 hours. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hizo hours zote imekuwa bullish, but bado ita break the trend, yeah, downward. So ita breakiwa somewhere there in 4 hour time frame. You guys can see that around hapo 70, right? That's why we have that color in there. So ikibreakiwa, that would be a very good confirmation of a buy. So just to give it time to maybe break and reason and stuff, that's why tutaingilia hapo 75 to square liquidity leo. So yeah, and that's a very good setup, you guys. When we narrow it down to 1 hour, the setup is very clear. Like you guys can even see the gap, right? Yeah. So we're gonna make good money. Hopefully itafika hapo by hata 510 by 6 itakuwa hapo. Sasa tuko 61. Baby, can you push? We need the money. We need the money. That is our point of interest. Otherwise ikifika hapo na ikose kubreak itakuwa ngumu, but I just hope itafika hapo na ishindwe kubreak. Sasa tuanze kuscalp because sasa itabidi we scalp. If we need the money itabidi we scalp, but for a very good entry, let's wait for it to break. Hopefully, we have to be positive because that is a very good entry. Haya, wenye umefika sahi hapo nimewaeleza vizuri. Yes, so look your setup ndio usiharibu. Okay, you have market supply zone. Have you marked the supply zone? Jamani, I started by marking, although my supply zones are the 4 hour time frame. They're just the same supply zones. Okay, acha turudi 4 hour time frame. This is the first supply zone, you can see right here, and you see this point, it has been respected already. That gives us one reason. Let me give you reasons why I'm buying. First of all, when you look at the candles and whatever, we are bullish. We are already bullish. That's one reason to buy. Another thing is the gap, my friend. Another thing to buy. The second reason is have I marked the whatever? This is the zone right here. And when it comes back here, it has been respected. So what we are waiting is just for the trend to be broken, actually. And that will be a very good confirmation of that. Another thing why I'm buying is because I like to buy. No, seriously, guys. Like, you only to angalieni yo. Say it go 63. Bulls are pushing the bar. I like it like that. Anytime to Nigeria market, anytime from now. I like it. Sahi maybe mtu wako 1 minute. Ai, habari bwana, let's wait bwana. In fact, we're gonna try to go na nyinyi hapa. Okay? That's why I like God, please let it break. Is it hey, you're not trying to break you and him. We will be in. It's a buy, pull back, then buy. That's why nimesema itabreakiwa. So we're gonna wait for it to break and then it test kidogo. Ai, jamani nasikia vizuri. Let's just push. So kuna watu wananiulizanga which time frame do you use? All time frames are very important in the market, as you guys have seen. So sometimes you just look at the time frames. The smaller entries, smaller time frames are for the entries, and the big time frames are maybe kukuonesha in general vile market inaenda, okay? Because when you look at market as 4 time frame, like clearly you can see how ni buyers wanajipush. If you are in my whatever, you see? Yeah. This point right here, buyers they did not come to play. They are like, there's no way you can prove. There's no way you are crashing this market. I like it like that. And yetu ndo hiyo inaenda kuguzo, my friend. And now maybe by saa moja hivi we will have millions and people will be like, forex traders, mbona mnatuoneshanga lifestyle? It's not that tunaonesha lifestyle. Either we are there. Leo nimewatch ile interview ya aitwaje? Oh my god, I'm on YouTube. Should I start talking bad? I don't give a fuck. So, leo nimewatch guys, can you come back? Come to my nyinyi wote kwanza kujeni msubscribe kwa YouTube yangu. Nimewatch interview ya nani sasa? I was talking about something. So that is how you analyze the market. I know sometimes you can decide to scalp and stuff, but today is not the day. I cannot live trade and just to tell you guys ati to scalp hapana. Hiyo nayo itakuwa ni ushebedu. Wewe unafanya forex how many years were you profitable? How many years you were profitable? I mean, I started forex 2022 and I started becoming profitable after 6 months hivi. So I've been profitable from 2023 na huko like I started making good money. 2023 na huko not like good money, but yeah, profitable according to capital yangu yenye nilikuwa nayo. Mimi was profitable. It depends with the capital. Bukutu bado hata sijafika ile like naweza sema ati naweza buy kitu kama GAD and stuff. But nilianza kuwa profitable na huko 2023 around June, July. Yeah. So say I'm clocking 23. Hii ita break kesho. Baby, this is gold. What do you mean? Be patient. Find something else to do. Acha kushinda ukiangalia market. Trust your strategy and forget about it. Say hata nimeforget. I'm just waiting for an alert. So 2023, 24, 25. It's just 2 years, my friend. Hata 2 years hazijaisha. Like being good, profitable. Na si ni weekend kwani market hazijafungwa bado. Weekend bado haijaisha. K is my mentor. Thank you. I was just 16. June ndo nilianza kuwatch videos zako. Junior. Well, labda nilianza kuwatch Junior 2024. So, my friend, I think I will launch another pair. I've been live for 1 hour. 1 hour. Hebu nione nimesubscribe watu wangapi. 1 hour. You guys go and subscribe. Huku ndo tutakuwa tuna live trade. I'm not ready to lose another account. Hey. And thank you guys for following me. We are at 10k followers in 3 days. I beg. God is good. 10k followers in 3 days. The other 50. Where are my subscribers? Hatujafika hata huku bado. We are pushing. Tumebaki around 100. You guys go and follow me there. Subscribe. So yeah, from TikTok, see it's respecting the trend line sheet to in this thing you have it's respecting No, baby, you have to be patient. You have to be patient. The one thing why I'm so confident about the buys is look at the trade in 4 hours. Okay, look at the trade in 4 hours, my friend. Usikue very impatient. You know, the whole world is waiting for that entry, maybe. So you have to be patient. Kwanza isipo wale watu wanakuanga na haraka, wanakuanga impatient kwa market. So you have to be patient. You have to be very patient. But the moment itafika hiyo point nimeonyesha, just take a buy and find something else to do with your life. Analyze Euro USD pia. Jamani, nataka kunirudisha Euro USD tena. It's really respecting the trend. Kama huyo mtu amesema hivyo, but that is 5 minutes. Bado bulls are in the market. They are trying to push. In fact, what I break, you guys. What I break. And we're gonna trade. I don't know mbona mko na wasiwasi. You should not even have any wasiwasi with your life right now. There's so many reasons why we are buying that metal. Trust your strategy, okay? That's why I'm going patient. Like mimi hata sina shughuli, imagine. Let's see the buy position umeseti. Hey. Okay, 15. Kwani tumeka hiyo nini wapi? 15 minutes. I beg. Mtaiona vizuri wapi? 1 hour. That is the position. Ameuliza. Don't get me. Hey, shit. Hey, jamani. What happened? Great content. Thank you. You guys subscribe. Hey, nimefanya nini tena? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Gold is a buy ama niaje? Yeah, I think because leo ni Friday. Next week I will, you know, very early in the morning. Kitu kama saa 4 hivi I will come and analyze the market with you guys so that you know hapo tutakuwa na time ya ku wait. Sasa unajua jamani, it's Friday so Kani setup yetu imetoka. Share the screen. Share. Okay, that is the setup. See, we can end the live now and just wait for the trade. Okay. Yes, make sure umeweka itaje alert. That is the trade I'm going to take. If you're in my signals group, nikiingia na kuambia, I hope you guys you have like umepata a thing or two, but sometimes what is your strategy? You guys have seen I have used a lot of. You just have to. Sometimes you have to think and rethink and rethink in this market. All right, session ina matter hapo. Session ina matter though, but bado New York haijaisha. And you know today too it was NFP, so say maybe no market imeanza kumove. Session ina matter. Most of the time, me on a normal day, I trade London, so yeah. I want to end this YouTube live. You guys come on YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then we continue. Have you guys subscribed? Because how comes the subscribers hawaongezeki, my friend? Na God go punish you. Okay. Kiasi gani during London? Tutajua hivyo, thanks, you're welcome. Tutajua hivyo Monday. Unajua sasa ingekuwa saa 4 na setup iko hivyo, like ungejua tu okay. Sina haraka. Sasa anaelewa the haraka because today kwanza it's Friday. Ni jioni, but I was like okay, let me try and live trade with you guys so that I promise to live trade with you guys na hata siku live trade na nyinyi hata siku moja. But shit. That same setup ndo mi ndio hiyo setup ndo mi hutumia even what has happened. Are you guys seeing me? At setup like that's how general